Hey, what's going on, guys? Jason here, and today I'm going to talk about JavaScript. I'm going to talk about the basics of JavaScript object and array destructuring, and I'm just going to show you a couple examples on how it works. And so first, let's start with object destructuring. So how that works is basically, let's say we have a JavaScript object, an object with multiple properties, and we want to extract those properties out. So let's say I have a object here, and we'll call it dog, and in that object we have a property of name, and we have a property, let's do breed, and we'll do lab, and okay. And so before ES6 object destructuring feature, the way we would extract properties out of this object is we would just do a var name equal to dog.name, and var breed equal to dog.breed. So before the ES6 feature, this is basically how we would extract properties from an object. But now with object destructuring, we can do all of this on one line. So we can do a var, and then we'll do add some curly braces, and then we'll add the property names that we're trying to extract. So in this case, it's name and then breed, followed by the equal sign and the object. And so this is essentially object destructuring. We have an object, which is dog, and we want to extract the properties out of that object, and we'll just surround it by curly braces here and add those properties, so name and breed. So now we have two variables with the name and breed. So if I just do name here, we should get max, and if I do breed, we'll do lab. So that's the basics of object destructuring, and now let's go into array destructuring. So let's say I have an array here. I'll call it fruits, and I'll set it equal to, so can I just do that? Oh, okay, I'll set it equal to apple, and I'll do banana, and I'll do pear. And so we have our array of fruits, and if we want to extract the elements from this array, before we would have to do var fruits1 equals fruits, and I'll do index 0, and then var fruits2 is equal to fruits2. So yeah, so then fruit1 would be equal to apple, fruit2 would be banana, etc. So that's how we would extract elements from an array. But now with array destructuring, the way we can do this is similar to object destructuring. So we would do var, and then instead of curly braces, we would do just brackets. I believe that's what they're called. But yeah, so we do that, and then set it equal to the fruits array, and then in here I would just pass in fruit1, fruit2, and fruit3. So with array destructuring, you can actually pass in whatever name you want, but for object destructuring, you would have to actually use the name of the actual property on an object. But in this case, we're just going to give it whatever name we want for the array destructuring. And so we have fruit1, fruit2, fruit3, and then, so if I do fruit1, we'll get apple, and then if I do fruit2, we get banana, and etc. So those are the basics of JavaScript object and array destructuring. There's a lot more to it than this, but I think I'll do that. I'll go more into it in another video. But hopefully you guys learned something. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.